Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at first for this video. Let's take a look at every other even. Okay, so this would be square root of 256 is 16. So this first factors to h squared minus 16 and h squared plus 16. And then my h squared minus 16 factors to a difference of squares of h minus 4, h plus 4, and h squared plus 16. So h minus 4, h plus 4, and h squared plus 16. Okay. And then this is a difference of cubes. So this is x minus 3, because that's the cube root of 27. And then x squared plus 3x plus 9. Oops. So x minus 3, x squared plus 3x plus 9. You're going to hear like the dryer going off in the background. You're also going to probably hear my phone beep at you. Maybe you'll hear it. Because there was a pretty rainbow outside, so I posted something on Instagram. Okay, so 64 is its sum of cubes. So this is a plus 4, because that's the cube root of 64. A squared plus 4a plus 16. A plus 4, a squared plus 4a plus 16. Okay. X cubed plus 1 is x plus 1. X squared plus x plus 1. And then 64 again is 4. So that's 4x plus 1. And then it's 16. X squared minus 4x plus 1. Let me go back, make sure. Oh yeah, I messed up. That should have been a subtraction sign. I had too many additions. Okay. So 4x plus, and I'm super sloppy with my handwriting today. I apologize. 4x plus 1, 16x squared minus 4x plus 1. Okay. 22. Ooh, looks like there's a common factor in here. There's for sure an x. Maybe, and I think we should pull out a 2x. Because that will leave me with 125, right? X cubed and plus 64. And those that I leave on the inside would be a perfect cube. So 2x on the outside. 5x plus 4, that would be 25x squared. Plus AB will be a 5x times 4, and then plus a 16. So this gives me 2x, 5x plus 4, 25x squared plus 20x plus 16. Okay, so 216, is that 6? 36 and 6, 6, 3, yeah, 216. You get really good with the cubes as you practice more. So x squared, did I do that one right? Oh, I have too many pluses again in this one. I thought I did the wrong thing. There should have been a minus sign there. I'm like notorious for putting too many pluses. I'm gonna have to get rid of this too also. Okay. 6 x times 6y plus 36y squared. So this is x minus 6y, x squared plus 6xy plus 36y squared. Close the parentheses. Okay. 30. So this factor is like that diamond method. So draw my x, put a -4 there. And then a -5. So that's a -5 and a +1. So this will be u squared minus 5 and u squared plus, u squared plus 1. And then there's no sum of squares, and then the difference of squares has to be a perfect square for right now. So we'll say u squared minus 5, and u squared plus 1. Okay, and then 34, again, we're going to draw our little x. So I have a -8 up here and a 15 on the bottom, so that's -5 and -3. So then this would be x squared minus 5 and x squared minus 3. Okay. We can factor out a greatest common factor. Don't want to do that with an eraser. So 3x to the 4th minus 2x squared minus 8. Okay. We're going to have to do bottoms up. So I have -2 in the top and -24 on the bottom. So 24 is 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Okay, so I want -6 and a +4. Okay, so then this factors to an x, and then it's going to be an x squared minus 6 over 3, and then an x squared plus 4 over 3. Because I am dividing by my a term. Then I'm going to reduce x squared plus 4 over 3, bring what's in the bottom to the top, in the bottom to the top. So then I get x squared minus 3, and 3, x squared plus 4. So x squared minus 3, and 3x squared plus 4. Okay, that's 38. 42 will be the diamond method. So that's a 2 on top and a -3 on the bottom. So a 3 and a -1. So this makes a x cubed plus 3 and an x cubed minus 1. Now this x cubed minus 1 here factors to a difference of cubes. So I have x cubed plus 3 and x minus 1 and x squared plus x plus 1. So x cubed plus 3, x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. Okay? All right, so 46. Ooh, that's a big one. Okay, so let's see. I would factor out an x and an n and a 6. 6xn. So that would leave me with an x to the 8th plus 5x to the 4th, and then minus, you have your 300 and divided by 6, which is 50. Okay. Erase our arithmetic. Okay. And now we're going to have to do the diamond method. So I have a -5 on the top, a -50 on the bottom. Factors of 50, 1 and 50, 2 and 25, 3, 4, 5 and 10, -10 and +5. So this is 6xn, and then an x to the 4th minus 10, and an x to the 4th plus 5. So 6xn, x to the 4th minus 10, and x to the 4th plus 5. And that's it for every other even.